This is an opening and taste test of our first ever batch of hard apple cider. I've got the official tasting cup right here. Let's go ahead and get this started. Now, this was originally bottled on December 5th, 2018, and it is currently December 24th, 2018. Let's look at the carbonation here. This was carbonated naturally. There was no CO2 was used, and it was pasteurized with heat afterwards to stop the carbonation. And it looks like I hit the carbonation perfectly on that. You can see that's a nice head that has on there for a hard apple cider. Give it a little taste. It's nice. It has a good apple flavor. It's not dry at all, but it's not overly sweet either. I might have actually hit the mark with this. That means I got super lucky. I'm going to try it again real quick here. But I want to show you the bubbles in there. Again, it looks like I hit that carbonation level that I was looking for about perfectly. So again, this was the test bottle. I've got a bunch of other bottles that are actually in the fridge, and I'll be letting them age until the summer, and we'll enjoy those then. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.